The 2025 Aprilia RSV4 Factory 1100 represents the pinnacle of Italian engineering and design, delivering a motorcycle that combines raw performance with cutting-edge technology. It's a machine built for the most discerning riders who demand excellence on both the track and the road. Engine and performance. At its heart lies a 1099cc V4 engine, producing a staggering 217 horsepower and 125 Nm of torque. The engine benefits from refinements in combustion efficiency and lubrication, offering smoother power delivery and improved reliability. Paired with a quick shifter-enabled 6-speed gearbox, the RSV4 provides seamless acceleration and exceptional top-end performance. Aerodynamics and design. Aerodynamics play a key role in the RSV4 Factory's design. Integrated winglets on the fairing provide downforce to improve high-speed stability and cornering grip. The sleek, aggressive styling includes a sharp LED headlight cluster with DRL integration, a redesigned tail section, and premium carbon fiber accents. The bike exudes a race-ready aesthetic while maintaining practicality for everyday use. Electronics and rider aids. Aprilia's Advanced Electronics Suite, APRC, Aprilia Performance Ride Control, ensures optimal performance in all conditions. It includes traction control, adjustable across multiple levels to suit rider preferences. Wheelie control keeps the front wheel planted for better acceleration and safety. Cornering ABS optimizes braking force even during aggressive cornering. Launch control perfect for track starts, maximizing acceleration off the line. Cruise control and engine braking management for added comfort during longer rides. The full-color TFT dashboard offers a customizable interface with smartphone connectivity for navigation and ride analytics. Chassis and suspension. The lightweight aluminum chassis is a hallmark of the RSV4, offering exceptional rigidity and balance. This model incorporates Öhlins Smart EC 2.0 semi-active suspension, which adjusts dynamically to provide the best damping settings based on riding conditions. A revised swing arm, derived from Aprilia's Moto experience, further enhances rear wheel stability and grip. Braking and tires. Top-tier Brembo-style calipers handle braking duties, paired with 330mm dual front discs and a single rear disc, delivering unmatched stopping power. The bike rides on Pirelli Diablo Supercorsa SP tires, offering excellent traction and cornering stability. Comfort and ergonomics. Despite its aggressive performance, the RSV4 Factory 1100 doesn't compromise on rider comfort. The riding position is adjustable, with ergonomic handlebar and footpeg placements. A plush seat and aerodynamic windscreen ensure a more comfortable ride over longer distances. Customization and personalization. Aprilia offers a range of factory accessories to enhance the bike's performance, aesthetics, and functionality. From Akrapovic exhaust systems to carbon fiber body parts and luggage options, riders can tailor the RSV4 to their unique preferences. The 2025 Aprilia RSV4 Factory 1100 is a true masterpiece, blending race-proven engineering with state-of-the-art technology, ensuring it remains a dominant force in the superbike world.